In this video, we are going to be making a front lip out of a garden liner. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get to it. So, you're going to need garden liner, which is like 15 bucks at Home Depot. And you get enough to do like 2 cars, man. So it's perfect. The next thing you're going to need is a bunch of zip ties. The tool you are going to need, a drill. So we're just going to follow this front lip right here. And we're going to start drilling 2 holes. Run a zip tie through. Tighten it down onto this. All the way around the car. So start with one corner and just work your way around.
Is this like a short one that I grabbed?
Now it's all zip tied on. You can cut all your long pieces off, and now you got a front lip. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.